In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a few ways to make money on TikTok. If you are a content creator of TikTok, then there are a few ways that you can start monetizing your TikTok account. The first way is trying to join the TikTok Creator Fund. The TikTok Creator Fund is for those people who have a substantial amount of audience on that platform who have a substantial amount of followers. So if you have a decent amount of followers on your TikTok account, you can try joining the Creator Fund of TikTok. Through the Creator Fund, TikTok also pays their creators similar to YouTube. The second way you can earn money through TikTok is by going live. If you go live on TikTok, you can earn gifts that other people give you, and gifts are converted into money. But however, going live is a boring idea and many people do not prefer it. Other than this, if you have a decent amount of followers on your TikTok account, you can try to get sponsorships for promoting products and services. Companies will reach out to you if you have a decent amount of followers and they will pay you to promote their products. Other than promoting products, if you have your own product and if you want to sell it, TikTok could also be a great platform. You can add in the link to your website in your TikTok bio, and when people tap on it, they will land on your website where they can purchase the product. So these are some of the ways that you can make money on TikTok. Of course, there are a lot more, and we'll be surely discussing some of those in later coming videos. That's gonna be all for today's video. If you guys found this video useful, then make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.